If your website does not bring your clients, it's not just bad luck. It's a problem that can be fixed. Today, I will share 3 common website mistakes that could be costing you customers and how to fix them. Did you know that 53% of visitors leave a website if it makes more than 3 seconds to load? A slow website not only frustrates users but also hurts your Google ranking. The fix: compress your images, use a fast hosting, and enable caching to speed things up. Over 60% of website traffic comes from mobile devices. Yet many websites are not mobile friendly. If your site is hard to navigate on a phone, visitor will leave instantly. Test your site on different devices, use a responsive design, and make sure buttons and text are easy to read and click. A great website should guide visitors to take action, whether it's booking a call, making a purchase, or signing up for a newsletter. If your CTA is unclear or missing, potential customer will not know what to do next. Make sure your CTA stands out and tells visitors exactly what to do. Avoiding those mistakes can help you turn your website into a generating machine. If you need help improving your website's performance, feel free to reach out. Let's build something great together. Thank you.